Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the tensile test simulation of the concrete piece. You can see that here under the tension load. You can see here, let me to check the stress first. The stress, the maximum stress happen, and if we use the magnitude for the deformation, you can see the middle zone is a critical zone here and it is normal. So and let's me to check the another outputs like the tensile damage. The tensile damage is an important point in this simulation and it reaches the maximum value 95%. And the other thing is the plastic strain, the displacement, stiffness degradation, and all things. But I'm going to draw the force displacement diagram. This is the force displacement diagram, and you can see it reaches 1400 Newton for 0.3 millimeter, and after that it has decreased in the capacity, you can see, because the concrete is too weak on the tension. And let's me to create the stress for this point, and you can see the stress now. See, it reaches maximum 3.5 megapascal. This is the maximum tensile capacity, and after that we have the decrease, and it means the failure. The failure happened after that, after this stress, the tensile stress. This is the tensile, and we can do the compressive also like this on the cylinder test or something like that. So if you need this tensile test simulation, static tensile test, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials. For instance, this is our tutorial. Click on a blue sign or on the title. Then you will have a short explanation about the geometry, description of the material, assembly steps, and boundaries, and then the results here. You can see here there are three important points. The file contains here in English video file step by step, and the cost is 22 US dollars. If you have bitcoins, you can pay with that. If you haven't bitcoins, you can use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.